Hey guys, this is Louis from Peel3D. Now on this video I will explain you how to best fit the mesh together. So let's get started. First thing first, click on the best fit mesh right over there. And then change the maximum distance to 1. By default it's supposed to be at 5. After that, select pre-align. And right click, set the rotation center on each models. So this one can be in the middle here. And for that, you just right click to your mouse and you have the option right over there. After this, you have to find 3 common points on each side of the objects. Click here, right over there. After this, I will try on the top. And then I will try on the right side right over there. When it is close to it, you can go around and look if it looks good or not. And if you have something like this, what you can do, you can add another point. The minimum of point is 3. So you can add one more just in case. And put that to the bottom here. You can see now it's look better. After this, you click align and you let the computer align those files together. And once you're satisfied, you click accept and you click OK. After this, what you want to do is to merge those 2 objects together. You click on merge right over there. You select both of the options. You let the priority normal. And then you keep it like this and you click apply. Now you can see I have a better model and it's merged together. Now I can work only on that model that's been merged. And after this, I just have to fill some hole and clean the mesh a couple of times, and I will be okay to have a good watertight models. Thank you for watching.